Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Parsec error 6023. So the first thing that you need to actually do is to click on the start menu as seen from here. So from here you need to search for firewall and you need to find Windows Defender firewall. After that you need to open it. So now from here you need to click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender firewall. Now from here you need to click on change settings as seen from here to be able to manipulate these settings. After that you need to click on allow another app and now click on browse an app as seen from here and now choose Parsec app. After you done that, click on add and now hit on OK. So now the next thing that you should do is to press start button plus R on your keyboard and then you need to write cmd/k, then tracert. After that you need to write 1.1.1.1 as seen from here. Then you need to hit on enter. So what this will actually do is that it will open command prompt and it will trace this protocol or this IP 1.1.1.1 and it will test the latency. So now you need to see if there is any problems with the latency as seen from here. So from here if you notice a big jump like from 1 millisecond to 20 or 30 or something like this, so if there is a gap between the latency, that means you have unstable network. So you need to make sure that you are connected to a stable network. That will actually fix your issue. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.